friends, this is Shalini, your IELTS expert. Well, today I'm here to tell you about the type of questions that come in the reading module of the IELTS exam. Well, the reading module of the IELTS exam has 3 RCs or reading comprehension passages which have 40 questions to be completed in 60 minutes. There are 14 different question types that come in the IELTS reading module. There are different question types such as true, false, not given, matching the headings, summary completion, sentence completion, matching paragraph information, multiple choice questions and classification questions. You will have to devise different strategies to tackle the different question types in IELTS reading. Also, you need to practice at least 10 to 15 reading tests before booking your IELTS exam. If you need any assistance with your IELTS preparation, please connect with us on this number. I will come back with more updates about the IELTS exam in my next video. Thank you for watching.